Hey yo guys, what's up? Why did I say that? JV4 Squad Vlogs here. I don't know what to talk about, guys, but I hope my brothers go with me in the land of scariness. I'm gonna do that. I don't know when. Probably later when it gets dark. I hope we find something scary in there because I went back there. There in the dark.
My tablet is a ghost in there.
I went back there in the dark.
Wait.
But we went halfway, but not all the way. But tomorrow I'm gonna make another video early in the morning. We're gonna go right back there because on that side there's a cop who lives over there, and on 2-3 blocks down that way another cop lives that way, and that's like part of his land. I hope I don't get in trouble, please. And guys, if y'all watching this or the police or something, please don't take me to jail because I'm just doing it for all you guys who are watching my videos, trying no people. So guys, I'm Javid Salinas, 13 years old. I was born in 2003, here in Three Rivers, Texas. I'm from Texas. I don't know what to do, so let's go.
What is it good dark?
I don't know. But hey, Andrew, face up here. I'm sorry, like walk a little bit far back. Okay, you do that. So guys, here's my skateboard that I've been trying to do tricks, and it's all messed up. This right here, I was trying to do a trick, but I fell. I fell from the thing, so I won't talk about it because it hurt, and I hurt my leg, and that's, I don't know. So, if you see sun, sorry guys if I'm like so beautiful. There's gonna be a tree in the way. So, here's everything. This is my cousin's house. He's talking, or my uncle's house, but my cousin lives here. So, wait for me. Look at the camera. Okay, here's a cat. Here's that cat. Another cat, another cat. And look, guys. Come here. Let me show y'all something. Look at that. So nasty. Okay, let's go. There's a bunch of rocks here, and I'm barefoot. Hey, Andrew, face it this way.
Oh shit.
So we're walking back here. If y'all can tell, there's the land over there. All that land right there. It's where we're going. But we're going straight back there. I hope there's no stakes, too. So.
Oh, sorry.
So if y'all see that we got wet from stumbling, and guys, I'm going to show y'all something really fast that Mommy did. I can stay down here. Okay. Ah! Okay, guys, get on. Guys, I'm going to do something for y'all that I can do. And I'm going to do a backflip. Ready?
Oh crap! Oh!
Whoa.
That's a front flip.
So guys, that's for that. And I can do this, do that again, and a backflip. So guys, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay, keep down.
Do you like that? I know.
Okay. So, guys, I'm tired from that, huh? I don't know. So we're walking back. And hey guys, I'm gonna show y'all the room that I was talking about in my other videos. Hold on. So I'm coming. Get back up. I'm coming. Don't zoom in or nothing.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay. So here, do this. Walk right behind me, okay? Look, guys, I'm gonna show y'all the room that we're going to fix up. I don't know when. So if y'all hear a person, it's my brother. So I have to hurry up because it's...
Oh! Okay, I see the room.
Don't zoom in or nothing.
Okay.
So we're going to be here. How long the video is? 4 minutes, okay. So guys, we stopped, right? So guys, this is the room that I was talking about. We're going to fix it, I'm not sure. But I'm going to get a new camera and a new computer, so I hope that happens. And You see that TV box? That's my dad's.
No, that's my Peter. We're getting new Peter, right? I am.
So guys,
I am TV.
I'm gonna try that. If you hear my brother, if he gonna get a computer, but no, because when we got a computer, he messed the computer up.
No.
So don't listen to him.
Shut the fuck up.
Sorry if you say cuss words. So Andrew, go up there. So that's what I was talking about. I don't know what else. So my cousins are gone. They went somewhere. I don't know where. So, and Andrew, we have a dog. His name is Chato. His name is Chato. So Andrew, watch your step. Sorry guys if you're not videoing me because we're not trying to trip or nothing. Because this one tripped over here. He was doing stupid stuff. So he tripped when he was making a YouTube video. Ding dong. So Andrew, watch your head. Okay, follow me. So guys, if you see a bunch of these cars, that's my dad's. That used to be our truck, and there used to be a car right here.
It's gone.
But my mom, or my stepmom, she took it to work. So, I don't know what to talk about, guys. And guys, please don't spread this out. There's a witch that been going on around here. I haven't told no one, but I keep on hearing it. And people say that the house over there, she has a lot of dogs. I guess she's trying to protect herself. I think she's a part of a witch because she do witch spells. And there's a kid I know, he lives there, and his name is Raul. And because last time when we're all out here, we're making barbecue, we saw a cat running up the tree. I don't know why, but it was running up the tree, and then after that, it stopped. And then we heard like a big wind, like whoosh, like that, like an owl or something. And we faced all the cameras, not all the cameras, all the flashlights up, and we saw like a big weird thing. I don't know. Or not, or not. Can't talk. Or if it's not, it's like the big white bird or the lechuza. People say that's real, but I think it's real because I never seen one. But I saw that bird, so it was pretty big. So